So today I have a very unique product, this thing called Samsung TheFrame, and it's 43 inches a TV, so basically just looks like a frame once you hang this thing in the wall. And I ordered two TVs to TheFrame, so let's try to open it and see what's inside the box. So here we have a box and cut the tape. Just make sure you're opening it from the right side, otherwise if you open it from the wrong side then you have TV at the top and you might damage some stuff. Okay, once you open the box and you're inside the box, you will see very first thing that is a quick setup guide. And let's remove this thing. So this thing is removed, and we have on the side here these bunch of cables. Here it include in this box one remote and power cable, two power cables, basic, one for docking station and the other one is for the TV. And these are the stands that I can put the TV on the table too, which I'm not going to use them for this build. And here is the back plate for the TV. And this is the docking station where I'm going to plug all my HDMI and all other inputs. And from this dock there's only one fiber cable will go to the TV. So let's remove the packaging and see what's underneath. So after removing the packaging, I can see a box inside, and this is the wall mount for the TV. So this is the best thing. In this one they include a wall mount with this one, so we'll look into it a bit later. And now we have just TV left in the box, and let's try to remove the TV out. Probably I have to put the camera aside to bring the TV out. And once the TV is out, it just looks like a picture frame. And this is the wall mount plate and stuff. So once if it's installed on the wall, it just flush into the wall and not hanging outside.